So the other day I showed you how to make some ugali and most of you loved that recipe, and if at all you haven't, please check it out. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some kales that you can accompany with some ugali and an avocado, of course. And with me I have my list of ingredients, and I have my greens that I've already washed and chopped. This is a mixture of collard greens and some spinach. I have my salt over here, and I have 2 seasoning cubes because why not. I also have my cooking oil, and finally I have my chopped onions. And without further ado, let's get started. So once my spray is hot, I'll go in with about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then once that is also hot, I'll go in with my onions. I'm going to cook this till they start turning translucent. Then at this point, we'll go in with our kales. And the secret is always use a high flame when cooking kales so that they do not sweat a lot. Then I'll come back to check on this after about 3 or so minutes. So this is a couple of minutes later, and you can see that my kales have shrunk. So I'll go in with my seasoning cube at this point. Then I'm also going to add some salt, but remember your seasoning cube has some salt, so you want to measure out your salt. Then I'm going to give this another couple of minutes, and as I've tasted, they are not really that hard, so they do not require a lot of time to cook. A few more minutes later, my kales are done. This is ready for plating and eating. So once your kales are done, if you continue covering them, they will continue cooking and the green color is going to fade away. So even if you're not going to serve them immediately, just keep them open so that the green color can remain. As always, remember to salt your avocado. I served my greens with some fish fillet, some lemon, and also some avocado and ugali. And let's begin. You can see how green they are. Fantastic. Wow. And as always, we have to taste the whole combination. The greens, the avocado, and the fish fillet. Mm. 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 Wow. Mm. Mm-mm. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.